Ladies and gentlemen, are you in the market for a home in one of the safest towns in all of Oklahoma County? Are you in the market for a home that has 5 bedrooms? Are you in the market for a home that has new plumbing, new carpet, new sheetrock, new window, new everything that you could think of? Is that the type of home that you're in the market for? And price super affordable? If you answered yes to any one of those questions, you're going to want to stick around on this video and see this listing located in Luther, Oklahoma. If you're not familiar with where Luther, Oklahoma is located, folks, it's located just 32 minutes from Oklahoma City. It's located just, I'm going to say 28 minutes from Edmond. It's located from Stillwater, I'm going to say about 52 minutes. It's one of the most perfect locations you could ask for. It has turnpike access. It has new turnpike access that takes you straight to I-40 right away. This house is located within walking distance to the schools in Luther. That's how hometown Luther is. You can walk to all the schools. It's located right down the street from the diner, right down the street from the daycare. It's located right down the street from the Dollar General, the Sonic, the feed store, the City Hall, the police station. Everything you can think of is within walking distance on this home in Luther, Oklahoma, folks. My name is Josh Barnett. I'm constantly getting calls, texts, and emails from buyers just like you who are relocating to, moving to, or moving within Oklahoma and the Oklahoma City metro area. If you have any need for real estate, homes or land, give me a call, 405-315-7965. The agents at Better Hope Squad Real Estate Paramount and I are here to help you when it comes to your real estate needs. Now, let's go take a look at this house together. All right, folks, as we're walking into the house here, you're going to notice how new everything is in the living room. It's freaking awesome. Hey, what did I tell you, huh? What did I tell you? Just look at this. New windows, new paint, new light fixtures, new carpet, new flooring. Every single thing that you could think of has been updated, and yes, folks, yes, there is plenty of room for an oversized dining room table. Let's go look at the brand new kitchen and everything that's been updated in that kitchen. All right, as with most of my videos, this is a 360 video, so feel free to spin the camera around and take a look around while I point things out. This house, it's negotiable, but it could come with a new black Whirlpool fridge. Look at the appliances. They're updated Whirlpool dishwasher, folks. You've got an updated gas burner Whirlpool freestanding stove. You've got a new tone vent hood, that's what it's called. Space for a microwave or bread box, whichever you prefer. It does have a stainless steel 50/50 sink with one of those faucets where the knob pulls down. You can pull the knob down, rinse off all the dishes real easy. Updated backsplash, updated countertops, white painted woodwork with the brushed nickel finished hardware. This kitchen is awesome. Let's go take a look at the master together. As you come into the master, you see that it's spacious, spacious, spacious. And there are tons of plugins throughout the whole master. Like I said, updated vinyl windows throughout most of the home. This has a great big window facing the south side of the home, so you'll always get that sunlight in here. And check out these closets. Lots and lots of space in these closets. Give me a call. You're not going to want to miss this house. Let's go look at more of it. Now, as we're heading down the hallway, you're going to come across 4 more additional bedrooms. 4 more additional bedrooms. Let's look at the first one together. This bedroom is massive, folks. I'm going to say it's at least 8 by 12, and plenty of closet space. It also has a south-facing window for all that natural light throughout the whole day. Let's go look at the other 3 guest bedrooms. 3 guest bedrooms. When you come into this guest bedroom, not only does it have the south-facing window, but it also has the west-facing window. If you have someone that's a little more warm-blooded, this is going to be the room for them. This is going to get all the light throughout every day. This bedroom rocks. This location of this bedroom rocks. Let's go look at the next one. All right, this bedroom located on the northwest corner, nice and spacious also. You can definitely get a couple twin beds in here, bunk beds, and have lots of room to still play. Let's look at the last guest bedroom. Am I right? Am I right? Look at this one, huh? But a house, it isn't all just bedrooms. Let's go look at the utility room together. Now, as you're thinking to yourself, wow, okay, a 5-bedroom house. So what's the big deal? Well, guys, it's located in Luther, one of the safest towns in all of Oklahoma County. Look up the crime stats. Look them up. It's one of the safest towns in all of Oklahoma County, and it's located just 28 minutes from Edmond and 32 minutes from Oklahoma City. Do you need a nice, big washer and dryer room with plenty of room to get the clothes in and out of the laundry? Let's take a look at this one. Am I right? Am I right? Look at how big this room is. Look at all the shelving. It's a 360 video. Spin the camera around. Look at all the shelving. Look at the 3/4 bath that's located in here. Check out the sink, the toilet. This room is massive. Not only can you do your laundry, but you can also shower too. All right, let's go look at the backyard together. Now, as you come out the back door, this is also the door that you would typically come in the home. Because the 2-car carport that's asphalted, so you don't ever get your feet muddy, is located right around the corner. Before that, let's go look at the backyard together. Now, remember how I told you everything in this house has been updated? Look at right here. Brand new gas meter, brand new piping for the gas. That's nice. Let's go look at the backyard. Well, why don't I say that again for like a 500th time? As we're walking into the backyard, notice all this privacy fence that you have. All right, so I'm really gonna have to work on the editor to get rid of the wind noise right now because it's a little windy, but just look at this backyard. Totally, I know, and whatever your name, whatever your dog's name is would easily be able to work in this backyard. And it looks like it's already set up to run hot wire if you got a dog that likes to dig holes. Awesome. That's awesome. Let's go look at that carport together. Space, space, space in this carport. Look at this. You could fit 2 full-size trucks easily in this carport, and you've got plenty of room on the side for a 3rd car, folks. When you got a 5-bed home, you're gonna need room to park 3 cars. Am I right? Am I right? Let's look at the carport from another angle. Okay, in today's market, it's hard to find a good home. If you're watching this video and you're relocating to, moving to, or moving within Oklahoma, the Oklahoma City metro area, call me. You're gonna want to come take a look at it. Updated electric, updated plumbing, updated sheetrock, updated everything. Vinyl windows, 2-car carport with an extra 3rd car parking spot, 5 bedrooms, updated kitchen, remodeled utility room. Folks, this is the house you're looking for, and it's priced so competitively. You're really gonna fall in love with this house as soon as you see it, and you're gonna fall in love with Luther too. Josh Barnett, Better Hopes Guard Real Estate Paramount. I'm getting calls, texts, and emails and direct messages daily from buyers just like you who are relocating to, moving to, or moving within the Oklahoma City metro area. The agents at Better Hopes Guard Real Estate Paramount and I are here to earn your business. Reach out to us and we'll help you with all your real estate needs. See you on the next clip.